everyone, welcome to my channel, The Hot Years. I'm Rochelle, and if you're new here, please consider subscribing. We'd love to have you. So here, the video is going to be on some jewelry that I've been working on lately, things that I have made. I haven't done any videos in a while, which is not good because I've been doing some craft shows, which take a lot of time. I also do makeup and skincare tutorials, which I also haven't done in a while because I've been busy doing the craft shows, because I worked all my life as a hair and makeup artist. I worked for all the cosmetic lines out there. I'd like to do a little intro since I'm still new for every video that I do right now, so you have some background on me. Because if you look at my channel, you'll see that you'll see some beading tutorials on there, and you'll see, you know, like a collagen powder, wondering like what is she exactly about. So and these are a few of my passions: making jewelry and then doing the makeup, hair, and skincare. So, and I just want to combine them all into one channel, so I'm hoping this can work out. The makeup tutorials, makeup and skincare tutorials are extremely time consuming to video. So I was, you know, contemplating even doing any more, just sticking to the beading, because the beading tutorials are a lot quicker, less complicated to make. So I don't know. I'm gonna stick with it and see what happens. Hopefully it'll get easier. But this video is on jewelry that I have been working on lately, and some pieces that I made. So and some other ones over here that you can't see yet. So let me take these away and we'll go over one by one. Look at this. I love this. I'm getting a little closer. Rainbow. I was trying to initially do ombre, you know, from light to dark of one particular color, like blue, from light blue all the way to dark, but I didn't have enough rhinestones, bicone crystals to do that, so I used whatever I had, and it looks like a rainbow. Actually, it reminds me of Fruit Loop Cheerios. Remember the old Fruit Loop Cheerios? This is called a Russian spiral. I know you've probably seen, if you make jewelry, you've seen this pattern all over the place. I did not invent the pattern. Okay, but look. And I used a magnetic clip here. Okay, so I have a magnetic crystal closure on there. And I think I'm going to be sticking to this. I usually use other closures when I make them. I don't have one handy to show you, but they don't hold up as well, and I find that these hold up as far as wear and tear a lot better, as far as being attached to the actual bracelet. So this is what it looks like on. Will match almost anything. Great for summer. Gorgeous. Just love that. Okay, I made so many Russian spirals. I have a ton of these. Okay, and again, I started a business for myself. That's why I'm doing these videos, to promote my website, which is the beadedjewelstore.com, which is where you'll find these for sale. Okay, and I just started making this type of jewelry, the charm bracelets. Okay, that really remind me of a slinky. Look at that. I'm just going to back up a little here. It kind of reminds me of a slinky. So this is on memory wire, of course. So I'm kind of new to doing these. I put a lot of different charms on them. I don't know if you can see. Okay, there's a little puppy paw charm there. We have a pretty enameled butterfly charm and some other glass charms, but isn't this gorgeous? Okay, and this is a very large charm bracelet. So let's see if I can get this on here. There we go, and just wrap it around. Oh, look how cute that is. Okay, and again, this will pretty much almost match anything. Great for summer. Okay, so I've been working on those, and here's another one, smaller version, pretty colors. And these beads are from my bead box subscription that I get monthly, the bargainbeadbox.com. It's pretty. It's on memory wire. And look at this. I call this my mermaid bracelet. It's pretty. And more little paw print charm. Okay, so pretty. And I just use what I had in stock. You know, you can get these, you know, pretty much anywhere. They provide so much sparkle and color that they're just so pretty. Okay. And then, let me see if I can get these all out at one time. Ta-da! Look at these. Okay, let me see if I can get it apart. Oh boy, here we go. Look at these. Look at the bangles. So these are bangle charm bracelets. And again, I'm very new to making these also. Okay. Cute charms. I can get them to all lay down at once. That would be nice. Maybe I can move this out of the way. There we go. How cute is that? And the actual bangle is kind of like a metallic textured bangle. Aren't these awesome? I love these. Now I'm selling these on my website, thebeadedjewelstore.com, so you can get these there. I think they're only maybe, I forget, maybe $4 a piece. I can't remember. Because I have, you know, I sell on multiple sites. Poshmark, eBay, Etsy. Okay, look at that. So cute. Then we had this, I got these little ombre gummy bears. Let me get a better picture of a darker one for you. Here it is. See the gummy bear? The ombre gummy bear. Pink on the bottom, then it goes up into blue. These are so cute. It's blue. And then here's a red one. The red one has a lipstick on there, a little purse, and the lips. And here's a green one. So cute. Now I've done some research on making these charms, and I've noticed that they put the charms on sometimes the top bar here. Okay, I see them up there, and then I see them on the bottom. Okay, so I'm not sure if there's any one particular correct way, but I've kind of just done both. So okay, just here's a bunch more. Got some lime green here. They're really pretty. And this yellow, bright bright yellow. Okay. And this one has, this purple one has, this is super cute. This, let's see. It goes this way. It has a little high heel on there. Not sure if you can see that. Look at that high heel with his little silver rhinestones on the heel. So cute. A little gummy bear, and there's a unicorn. An adorable unicorn. Just love these. And I just made some simple bicone bracelets. Can't go wrong with these. I'm trying to look for more simple things to make. You know, I've been beading since the 90s, and I usually do all the bead weaving. So I'm looking for something that's quicker, easier, less stressful for me. Because it seems like people really don't want to pay for the more difficult things, doing the peyote stitch, things like that, that cost more money. So it's a toggle clasp I used. Ain't they pretty? Oops. My fingers are not working today. And these are for sale on the beadedjewelstore.com. And here is one with multiple colors. Come on. There we go. Isn't that pretty? And look at that pretty toggle clasp. It's a flower. So pretty. And then here we have an orange one. Nice fun summer colors. Quick to make. Simple. There's a pink one. And yellow, yellow. There we go. Okay. So that's what I've been working on lately and what I've been up to. Making some charm bracelets and crystal bracelets. Okay. So, again, thank you for taking the time to watch my video. Okay. And if you find my content helpful, please share it with your friends. Please like and subscribe to my channel, and leave comments below if you have any suggestions or things you would like to see. Let me know. Okay, that's it for this video, and don't forget to check out my store, thebeadedjewelstore.com. Take care. Bye-bye.